the Sprightly Kid, and today I'm going to be painting on wood ornaments again, and so let's get started. So these are the two ornaments, and this is the rainbow on them. And I just want to say quickly that if you want to see me paint the rainbow, go watch my first episode of me painting wood ornaments. You may notice that the bottom colors are missing. The reason why though is because two acrylic pour ornaments. At the end of my acrylic pour video where I did acrylic pour thing on ornaments, go check that video out if you want to watch it, by the way. I show these at the end of the video because I did these off camera, but the reason why I brought them up again is because here on the rainbow, there's a new color here. It's indigo. The reason why I added indigo is because I thought it would add more color, and that I've also heard that when the rainbow design was originally first created, indigo was one of the colors added in the rainbow. So I want to show me paint the indigo part of the rainbow on camera. Over here I have my indigo color, and I'm just going to paint the indigo of the rainbow on this ornament. So here it goes. Now that these two both have the indigo on them, I'm just going to paint on the purple part. Purple on both of these are done, and now time to let this to dry. This is all dry for the indigo and purple on the rainbow. Now let's get on to the real painting on this side. So last time I painted wood ornaments, I did acrylic pour ornaments. Acrylic pour is like one way you could do abstract art. I'm doing this something like that today, but this time I'm going to do another form of abstract art. So here I have my dirty paint palette and some paint here. I already poured the yellow paint off camera, and I'm just going to pour in the rest of the colors, which are gray, red, and orange. So I'm just going to pour all these. What I'm trying to do here is do like a fall theme. So here I have my palette knife, and I'm just going to take the paint, and I'm just going to spread it onto here like the abstract art. So that's what I'm trying to do today. I'm just going to put it on here mindlessly without any care in the world. You know what I'm saying? I'll show you when this piece is done. Time to let this to dry. That one's drying. I'm going to move on to this one. So for the theme of this, I kind of want to do something like with shades of cool colors, mostly blues. So I'm just going to pour all my paint. This is my paint colors. I'm just going to do the abstract art. So this is my second piece, and now time to let this to dry also. So now that both of these pieces are all dry, I'm going to start by applying some varnish on these to protect the paint. So I'm gonna, oops. Okay, let me start with this one. So here's one that's coated in Mod Podge. I'll show you when this other one is also coated in Mod Podge. Now time to let these two to dry. So this is the finished result of my abstract art ornaments. I really like them a lot because I love all the colors. It's so colorful, and I'm glad that I did this abstract art. I like the effect of it. I mean, well, last time I did some acrylic pour ornaments. Acrylic pour is another way of abstract art, but I like this one equally as much. So yeah. So that was my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching Sprightly Kid. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel, and remember to be cute and creative. Bye!